What is up, YouTube? My name is Justin for Party Rental Knowledge. I'm here with Julio from Jump Orange.
What's up, everybody?
Today we're over here. We're not at the Jump Orange warehouse. We're at the Jump Orange Creative Studio. I did a couple videos on warehouse tours. It's just a bunch of bounce houses and cutting machines. You're not missing anything. I think this is actually way cooler. Sorry to all the other manufacturers I visited, but no, this was just a cool setup. I liked it. It's totally Jump Orange style.
Yeah. I mean, it's they'll see. I mean, seeing is believing, right? And like when they see this, they're gonna be amazed of like the type of setup that we at Jump Orange set up to, I mean, create all the inflatables and everything, right?
Like,
I mean, it's cool. It's real cool.
This is a Mexican restaurant. I went and ate here. If you come visit, go here. They got the fire.
And it's a club. If you guys want to come and stay around, that's a club as well. So actually, our office is above this club. It's actually up there. So
Get them on video. Don't let them hide. It's right up there. We'll show you. We'll show you and bring you on in.
you know, for Jump Orange, it's all work up there, and then we come down and party.
Yeah, right. It's a really nice area over here. There's lots of parking, which isn't really like something you find around here. Come on in.
Hey, what's up, Justin?
This is Ray.
Hello. Welcome to the Jump Orange Creative Studio.
Thank you.
Yep. Yeah.
And we got a couple employees here. They're running. No, they don't want to be on camera. I know how it is. So, I don't know if you want to just pan around the room real quick. They got desks here for different people doing different electronic things on the internets. Like all kinds of different stuff. Julio's here. I think his office is over here. You want to go check your offices out? We can sit down and talk.
Yeah, we'll go right now.
This is where all the average people are. The above average, you get extremely average is over here. They get the foosball. I know. This is Julio's office. This is a conference room or the principal's office when you misbehave. And I don't know.
We're like the little lunch area right here.
Little lounge area. I just interrupted somebody's break. And they got some food and whatnot. But the vibes in here are just awesome. This is where they come up with the crazy ideas for units and whatnot. This is the atmosphere that creates like a giant frying pan water slide, or what you call it, the jellyfish water slide, or the mysterious, or what's the imperfectly perfect.
Imperfectly perfect. Yeah.
Yeah,
That was the latest one. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that one. That one and the mysterious. I'd probably get in that.
Somebody already started receiving their shipment, and they actually posted on Facebook.
On our Party Rental Knowledge group, yeah. That's
I
awesome.
think so. Yeah. They like
That's
it.
pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that one was a showstopper for real this year. Julio, you coming over here?
Yeah.
Don't be
I
shy.
didn't want to interrupt the
Oh, you're good. Don't worry about the shot. We'll edit this out. These people don't matter. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, let's have some conversations. Let's talk a little bit about Jump Orange.
Oh, okay. Come on, Julio.
Yeah, let's sit over here and talk, I guess.
Uh,
So I didn't have any questions prepared, but I guess I'll just start asking stuff. So you pretty much gave me a whole history today on Jump Orange. You want to talk a little bit on how it started?
Oh, Jump Orange. So Jump Orange, we started out, selling blowers, and then originally, and then eventually we started selling, inflatable bounce houses, and then at the very early stage, we were trying to differentiate ourselves from some other inflatables company. So we actually started with the idea saying that, we need to create unit with a design that is unique out in the market so that we can stand out. So that's where all the idea comes from. That is the meaning behind Jump Orange, because we always have innovative and also unit that is actually different than our competitions.
Yeah, I love it. Like when I see a Jump Orange unit, it's it's a Jump Orange unit. It's like, oh, these guys had to be behind this or something, because this is just out there. This is unique, and like I told you, this year I did $10,000 off one water slide from you guys. That's just one water slide that I bought, I think, for $2,500. So that was pre-COVID prices, people.
And I think you actually got the smaller one. Imagine.
I got the 19.
You have two. I think you have a 15 and a 19.
I don't.
Right?
I gotta look. I would have to look it up, but I don't know what the jellyfish. The jellyfish didn't do that. The jellyfish did like 9K or something like that. It was definitely close behind. It was my second best water slide.
He has a 19 foot. Once he has the 19-foot astronaut.
Yeah, the 19-foot astronaut and
jellyfish maybe.
15-foot jellyfish.
Yeah.
But definitely gonna get some. I have my eyes on that Mysterious though.
Yep.
That one's interesting. So Jump Orange. Did the name come from being in California and the word jump in front of it, like Orange County, or?
Well, it's actually a fun story. So originally, Jump Orange, it was named Jump and Roll. Not a lot of people know that.
Jumping Bro?
No, Jump and Roll.
Oh, okay.
Jump, like rock and roll, jump and roll.
Yep.
Because I'm into like playing music, guitar, so Jump and Roll. I thought that it was a cool name, and then but our graphic designer was saying that the Jump and Roll, the name is too difficult to make a logo out of. So we were just coming up with new names and everything, and then we're in Orange County, so that Jump Orange, that just all makes sense.
Yeah.
So
I like it.
Jump Orange it is. Yeah.
You guys do great marketing, like really, really unique stuff. Like, I'm honestly curious how many people are going to copy your bags at IAPA this year.
Well, we've had the bags since the first year, right, of IAPA, and no one's actually done it. Like, no one's actually been able to copy us. Because we're the first ones to actually do it.
Oh, I didn't know you guys do those. So this year was my first IAPA, so I never knew you guys did those at all the time.
Every year.
You do the vinyl ones or just the big ones?
So every single from the first, just like with the inflatables.
From the very first year of IAPA.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just like the inflatables, from the first year that we did that, and the second, third, fourth year, we always upgrade and change the bags. Okay. So this year, which is the year you attended, that was where we did the vinyl bags, where it was really huge, really big.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, and plus it works to our advantage. Orange bags.
Those were awesome, man.
So that's great marketing material.
I literally fit all my dirty clothes in there, and literally like I sent it through TSA. I got a picture of it coming through the baggage claim and whatnot, video of it. Like I honestly was tempted to bring it here, for this trip or whatnot, but I just was like. It brings a lot of attention.
Yeah, people love the bag.
I think like it's not even just the bags. Like you said, you guys have unique units and designs that really make yourself stand out from any of the other manufacturers. So in a world where people, if you've seen me, like that I've gotten really aggressive with a few manufacturers over copying each other, and like that's not the type of atmosphere we promote in the Party Rental Knowledge group. So like there's never any problems with you when it comes to that aspect. You're not copying other designs. You go as far, like I bet, have you ever had a design that somebody came out with that you already had in the works or whatever, and just had to like, listen, I don't want to be similar, so we can't release this now?
Not so much, but we always try to make sure that the design of a unit is different enough from any other manufacturer. Just like I know a few years back there was this theme that was actually very popular. So the toxic. Yeah. It was like from leisure activity, and everybody has it.
Leisure did toxic, and Galaxy was into that too.
I think there's quite a different manufacturer that have that, but for us, we just don't want to go with the trend, so that we never have any of the toxic.
Yeah, you don't have any of that line at all. That's
so that we
really
are always the one that try to create something that is unique out in the market, and that is actually becoming part of our branding as Jump Orange. If you want cool and unique stuff that stands out from your competition as a rental company, you come to us, Jump Orange, and this is what Jump Orange is all about.
I like how you start with the slides too. Like every year when you're releasing new projects, you just put these giant wild slides out, and then like later on during whenever you do it, like right before mid-season, then you'll go and you'll actually release the combo version of that slide. And it's like, I think that's just really, it keeps the anticipation and it keeps it nice. It's actually nice and refreshing. It's I don't know. I don't know what it is, but it's just like, maybe it's because I'm a nerd and I love marketing. But I just like, I think it's actually good, and I think it's like it's different. You don't see other, like, Tent and Table does their Wednesday videos and stuff like that. But like every time I see like, it's Gem Day, or it's or we're releasing our products at IAPA, or or we're gonna release the combo today. It's always this giant spectacle. There's usually a video beforehand and stuff. And everybody knows I love video. It's like I just really think it's on point at what you do. It's actually like really interesting. I just wanted to like kind of ask you some more questions on it and whatnot. So when are the new designs coming out? I guess.
IAPA show. Actually, you have to talk to the designer for that. I have no control over that. But like usually we have a new design come out on the IAPA every single year.
What about the combos? Are those coming out? Can you give a date when around the combos for this year will come out for this line, or no?
Oh, for the combos, they should come out soon, pretty soon, like right around May-ish.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
So I don't gotta wait too long. I don't gotta wait till IAPA.
So for the IAPA, it'll be just like the new theme. New
you guys just released a video today with a bunch of images of units that are new. That was the first time that so if you go and look right now on Jump Orange's page, it will be live because this video is going to be probably a couple weeks before I release it. If you go look at Jump Orange video, you'll be able to see the imperfectly perfect combo and the mysterious combo. So there's some sneak peeks. It's technically already released, but it's not. Listen, I've seen your guys' sneak previews. It's not a sneak preview. You get a good image off that video. So it was what was the mysterious? Like, he showed it right at the very end, that teaser. Like, I like that. Like, that's the type of stuff that's like, I don't know. Other manufacturers watching this, be more like Jump Orange. Like that's, but don't copy them. No, seriously, because I love your guys' marketing. You guys, it's just fun fun. Like, look at this office. It just screams fun. You're a fun company. I think it's just interesting to me. Julio, you want to talk about Jump Orange, what it means to you, what it's like being at the company or whatnot? 'Cause you're basically the face of the company now.
Yeah. No, I mean, I've been with them for 8 years now, and from the first year till now, I mean, it's really been changing, man. I mean, everything. Not only the overall structure remains the same as far as, it's, I know the word like family gets spread around easily, like on, every company that you ever been. But right here, we really like to, keep it we welcome every single new idea from every single person that that joins the team. But at the same time, if it's, it feels like an actual family, it's like really comfy type of environment, right? But the great thing about working with Raymond, working with Winnie and everybody else in the team is that right here, your voice, it's heard. They actually do listen to you, and not a lot of companies out there do you actually spend, one-on-one time with the boss, and he actually it's an actual conversation, right? So I think that's been one of the best parts of working at Jump Orange. Everyone here works really well together, and I mean, it's just been growing and growing, and everyone's ideas help the company, the overall company, and I mean, the environment itself, it's fun. This office is really fun, and I hope that a lot of customers, whenever they come to LA, they come visit us so they can check out the warehouse, our office here, and they can see what Jump Orange is all about.
Yeah, Jump Orange is definitely a destination while you're in California. I'll tell you that much. This is definitely one of the spots you're gonna want to pull up on.
Especially especially right here. I mean, we're in downtown Fullerton. This is one of there's colleges around, and
it's very centrally located too. You're visiting all the other things. I've been driving around this whole time I've been here, and that's not a good thing when you're in LA. But
our warehouse location is next to the 5 freeway, so that one, I mean, it's literally you have San Diego to TJ, LA right here. You're in Anaheim right
So you're
away.
gonna come pick it
it's-
up. It's even cheaper.
Yeah. Not only that, but I mean, just to see overall LA. I mean, we're in two very good locations to travel anywhere. Except right now with gas prices, right? But I mean, aside from that,
Yeah, I was gonna say it's like six. I gotta stop. Honestly, it's like I gotta find 518 because it's like 650 everywhere right now. It's getting crazy.
518. That's like there's no 518 right now. I don't know.
I found 518
Really?
yesterday and I didn't
Wow.
grab it because I'm
Impressive. Look
I'm
how
stupid.
you know.
I'm stupid.
10 cents cheaper because
I'm stupid. That's all I gotta say.
I can assure you that by the time we get out of here, it's gonna be around 6 something. Right?
Yeah.
Right.
What was I gonna say? Do you guys make obstacle courses?
We do. We do have some obstacle course making, but then for the past 2 years, it's obstacle course is not the main of our focus, right now. But we do have like existing a shadow obstacle course. It's actually selling really well. But then it's just that we're not coming out, with new design for the past 2 years for obstacle course.
So there's not gonna be an imperfectly perfect obstacle course or a serious obstacle course.
Well, I don't know.
Or you-
Maybe
or
if enough customers, if they want it, we might make it.
I mean, I'm just interested because it just came up to my mind that I don't really see too many jump orange obstacles and stuff. Because I did ask you if you guys do the unique games and different little stuff, and you do say you do have a few different items.
We
and stuff.
do have some like a small sports game.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's because not like add-ons, people. That's what it's about, honestly. You make more money when you're going to the same place. You can bring a couple extra things there.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So that's pretty much it. Foam water slides. If you think Jump Orange should make a foam water slide, call Ray and tell him it's a good idea. He's skeptical.
He is. He's trying to convince Jump Orange to make a water slide with foams on it. So.
I'm telling everybody has been doing it. Everybody else, I've been pressuring everybody. But I'm telling you, it's gonna come. So if you think it's a good idea, hit up Julio, hit up Ray, tell them hey, Justin's right.
All right. Well, thank you very much for stopping by.
Thank you.
Thank
I appreciate you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Stay safe, everybody. Keep renting out inflatables. Have fun, and call Julio for some bounce houses and water slides. Jump Orange has the most unique inflatables in the industry.